guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of the challenge that is hosted every month by lovely Heidi. Her channel is Heidi Sonboul DIY. Everything about her, if you don't know her, will be linked in the description below. And a theme for this month was fall or Thanksgiving. So I am bringing you a couple of my fall/Thanksgiving DIY. They are very affordable and really easy to make and turn out really cute for my home decor. So if you would like to see it, please continue watching. Okay, for this project we'll need 2 sets of this floral foam balls. I'll be using Beverly chalk paint in a color of pumpkin. And for decoration, I got this leaf from the Dollar Tree. And I got some cinnamon sticks as from my spices. You don't have to use this. You can use some kind of little tree branches from anything, or from your other floral. You can pick it off the bouquet from the Dollar Tree. But this should be a really cute and really easy decoration. Okay, so the oranges are dried, and I have 2 options for you. You can either use this kind of leaf and cut small leaves, or you can use one of the greenery like I previously told you. And I made a small little placeholders, kind of like a thing for the orange, and this is from cinnamon sticks. You can use anything you'd like. You can even get it out of one of those small pumpkins like this. You can use that as well instead over here. So that is all. Now we're just gonna decorate it, and our Thanksgiving oranges are gonna be ready. Okay, for this project we need a styrofoam Dollar Tree pumpkin, a little bit of jute. You can use anything. Dollar Tree has a really cool one, but I'm trying to use this up, so I'm going to use this one. And for painting, to paint my pumpkin, I'll use the Beverly chalk paint in a color plaster. And for the top one, I'll use my hazelnut in chalk paint Beverly as well. So that's gonna be it. Okay, so the pumpkin is almost dry. So like I said, I wanted to add a couple of jute strings. So what I'll do, I'll just measure a couple, not all the way around, but just a few. And then at the top, this is already dry, And I have 1 or 2 green leaves that I'll attach. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, there's a playlist in the description below with lots of more videos from lovely people who are participating in this challenge. And if you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my little YouTube family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you in my next DIY video real soon. Bye for now.